Make your daily commute effortless with the Deepower Folding Electric Bike, a compact powerhouse designed for modern city living. With a 48V 15Ah battery and a 400W motor, this e-bike offers a range of 30 to 45 miles per charge in PAS mode, ensuring you have enough power to conquer your day. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or narrow paths, the Deepower e-bike's compact design allows you to ride freely without sacrificing speed or comfort. Experience unmatched comfort on every ride. The Deepower Folding Electric Bike is equipped with 4 shock-absorbing zones, including a center shock absorber, hydraulic shock absorbers, double spring seat suspension, and a post-spring shock absorber. No matter the terrain, you'll enjoy a smooth and comfortable journey, free from the disturbances of rough roads or long rides. Smart riding made simple. Choose from 3 speed settings with the easy-to-use controls on the left handlebar. The integrated LED headlight, taillight, and turn signals provide a wide field of vision, ensuring your safety even during night rides. Plus, with a built-in USB phone holder, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Crafted from high-strength carbon alloy, the Deepower Mini e-bike is built to last. Its durable frame, combined with a soft, high-density sponge seat cushion, reduces riding pressure and enhances comfort. Quick folding capabilities make it easy to carry in store, whether you're heading into the office, running errands, or taking a weekend getaway. The Deepower e-bike is your ideal companion. Ride confidently on any terrain with 14-inch vacuum tires that offer superior grip, wear resistance, and drainage performance. These thickened rubber tires reduce noise, provide strong traction, and ensure a safe and comfortable ride across diverse landscapes. Compact, powerful, and comfortable, the Deepower Folding Electric Bike is designed to transform your daily commute into a smooth and enjoyable experience. Say goodbye to traffic jams and crowded public transport, and say hello to the freedom of riding with Deepower. Discover the future of commuting with the Deepower Folding Electric Bike. Your journey redefined.